If your Instagram watch history option isn't showing up, don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix it. First, open the Play Store on your Android phone. Tap the search bar and type Instagram. Check if an update is available. If yes, simply update your app. Keeping Instagram updated usually solves hidden or missing feature problems. Once updated, open your Instagram app. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Help. Next, tap Report a Problem. When the pop-up appears, choose Report Problem again, then tap Include and Continue. Now you'll see a box to describe your issue. Type something like this: "Hi Instagram team, my account doesn't show the watch history option. Please help me restore this feature as soon as possible." After typing your message, tap Send. Instagram will review your request, and the watch history option should reappear soon once the issue is resolved. That's it. Your problem should be fixed shortly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech solutions.